Okay, so here's the bool cube. Here it is in the outliner, and it's also referenced here in the geocube geometry node. So if you select the bool cube and you try to delete it, okay, hold on. Okay, just select the bool cube, delete it. It deletes in the outliner, but the operation is persistent. Undo that, go over here, right click, delete, and it deletes, and the operation deletes as it should. Undo that. In the geometry cube node, all you need is for that Boolean to be mentioned somewhere in this geometry node. And here, if you just get rid of that, and now you go back up in the viewport and you delete it, it deletes and the operation deletes. So the problem is, if it's mentioned in the geo nodes, you can't delete it in the viewport. It will leave a persistent Boolean, but if you delete it in the outliner, it will delete both.